This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, March 12th. I'm Marche Bird. The excitement of the boys basketball team's state title is still in the air as we roll into spring sports and teams have their first games today. With a change to daylight savings time, we'll see more sunshine and warmer temperatures as spring fever takes over. The 2019 Commodore yearbook staff is looking for students and staff to write postcards to the school from a place they have visited. You can pick up a template in the library or go to the yearbook announcement online. Come be a part of our journey. Now here's Douglas in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Marche. Today is the official start of the spring season, and the Maury baseball team will host the Bayside Marlins here at Maury. Game time is 4 o'clock p.m. At 5 o'clock p.m., the girls' soccer team travels to Cox for a game with the perennial Class 6 powerhouse. Tomorrow, the softball team will take on the Bayside Marlins. Game time is 4:30 at Bayside. Look for the season to get busier, and we'll have results from these games on Thursday. Back to you, Marcia.
Thanks, Douglas. Now hear what's happening at MHS. That's all for Tuesday's Commodore News. I'm Marche Bird. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.